you're looking for a real Temu coupon code that works in 2025, this is the video you need to watch. Right now, you can get up to $100 in Temu shopping credit for free, but only if you use the special link in the description below. That link is very important. I know many fake promo codes are out there, but this one is verified and tested. I've used it myself and got many free items, no tricks or gimmicks. However, this promo won't last forever. Once it's gone for good. So, if you've been searching for the best Temu discount, now is the time to act. Whether you're new to Temu or already have an account, keep watching. I'll show you how to activate your Temu coupon code step by step and unlock these great savings today. To unlock your Temu coupon code and get up to $100 in shopping credit, start by scrolling down and clicking the special link in this video's description. That link takes you directly to the official Temu promo code activation page. If you're on a desktop, you can also scan the QR code on your screen right now, or better yet, open this video on your phone for a smoother experience. Once you click that link, you'll arrive at a page that confirms your Temu discount is now active. You'll see a list of products you can grab at a big discount or even free, depending on your region and account. This process is fast and easy, and it doesn't require any shady downloads or strange steps. You're not guessing if it works. This method is 100% proven and effective right now in 2025. So, if you've struggled to find a real way to get a Temu discount code, this is how you do it. What if you already have a Temu account? Can you still get free items or shopping credit? The answer is yes, and this is where many people miss out. If you've signed up and used Temu before, here's what to do. Just ask a friend or family member to use your referral link and create a new Temu account on their phone. Once they sign up and start browsing, you'll unlock extra rewards, including coupon codes and bonus credit. I've done this several times, and it always works. It doesn't matter if your account is old, as long as someone new signs up using your link, you'll be eligible. The best part? You don't have to break any rules or create a second account. This method is simple and completely allowed. So if you thought this offer wasn't for existing customers, think again. You can still benefit, and it's waiting for you to use. But that's not all. If you want to take things even further, scroll down and check the bonus links I've added in the description. These are secret Temu discount pages that most users don't know about. They update daily and feature huge deals, sometimes up to 70% off, with free shipping included. You'll find trending electronics, fashionable clothing, household tools, and gadgets you didn't even know you needed. These bonus deals are real, and I use them every time I shop on Temu. You don't need to sign up again or go through extra steps. Just click the links, and you'll see the prices drop immediately. These hidden pages are great if you want to save even more without putting in extra effort. So don't just rely on the main coupon code. Combine it with the secret discounts and maximize your savings. Bookmark this video and check back often, as these bonus links change regularly. Before you rush off to shop, here's one last tip that can make a big difference. After you've clicked the link and activated your Temu promo code, make sure you complete your first order within the time frame shown on the page. Some of these coupons expire quickly, especially during busy times. If you're using a referral method or checking the bonus links, double check your cart before checking out to ensure all discounts are applied correctly. Sometimes, refreshing the page or switching devices can help trigger the lower price. I've seen people miss out on savings because they waited too long or forgot a small step. So don't leave money on the table. Scroll down now, click the first link, unlock your coupon, and grab your free or discounted items before the offer disappears. If this helped you, leave a comment below and let others know it worked. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real deal tips like